يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل كطي السجل كطي السجل للكتب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده وعدا علينا إنا كنا فاعلين
You see the feeling كطي السجل للكتب, the feeling of the phrase, يعني what is it giving you? Do you understand the words? No. Very well. So what's feeling that coming up when you read it?
It seems strong.
Yeah, something happens very strongly, and there is action of something. So it's a given example.
It's about the adjustment for what happened to them.
Yeah, the global action, which is the sky, when the resurrection day happens, the sky will be like a book that you close, okay, and it's not like the book that we know. No, the very old book that they circle it like this. Okay,
like
they scroll it, exactly. They scroll it like this. So as the ayah say, يَوْمَ نَطْوِي السَّمَاء, you're scrolling the sky. Yeah, they're scrolling the sky as the book or the piece of paper or sijil, record. The word is record. As we have a record in very big paper, and this paper is very strong, is very heavy, and it's not easy to scroll it. You see, you feel this meaning? Not with sama كطي السجل للكتب. You feel like it's very hard working.